The Jaguar F-Type is a true representation of British elegance fused with raw performance. Designed to captivate at first glance, this sports car carries a timeless silhouette, featuring long, sweeping lines, a sculpted hood, and a bold stance that signals power and precision. In black, the F-Type looks especially menacing and refined, with its glossy finish reflecting light in a way that highlights every curve and detail. The signature LED headlights with J-blade daytime running lights give the front a sharp, focused look, while the slim taillights complete the aggressive yet graceful design at the rear. Beneath the sleek exterior lies a powerful heart, depending on the variant. The Jaguar F-Type offers a range of engines from a turbocharged 4-cylinder to a ferocious supercharged V8. With power outputs reaching up to 575 horsepower, the V8 variant is capable of launching from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 3.5 seconds, offering thunderous acceleration and a deep, growling exhaust note that announces its presence long before it arrives. With its lightweight aluminum structure, finely tuned suspension, and rear-wheel or all-wheel drive systems, the F-Type delivers a driving experience that's both thrilling and precise. Step inside, and the cabin of the F-Type surrounds the driver with luxury and intent. High-quality leather upholstery, metal accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a refined yet sporty environment. The seats are low, supportive, and perfectly positioned to enhance the connection between car and driver. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, and intuitive controls that make every journey enjoyable and immersive. The center console and rotary gear selector add a touch of sophistication to the already premium cabin. Advanced technology complements the F-Type's performance. Features such as adaptive cruise control, a premium Meridian sound system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and dynamic drive modes ensure that the car is as intelligent as it is fast. Safety is also a priority, with systems like lane keep assist, emergency braking, and rear traffic monitoring providing peace of mind on every drive. The Jaguar F-Type is not just a sports car, it's a statement of style, performance, and passion. It's built for those who appreciate the harmony of form and function, who seek excitement with every turn of the wheel. Whether parked in a showroom or sprinting down an open highway, the F-Type commands attention and delivers an unforgettable driving experience.